We're going to troubleshoot the invalid reference format error you might encounter when using Docker on Windows. This error usually pops up when Docker can't understand the image name or tag you're trying to pull or use. Let's look at how to fix it. 1. Verify your Docker image name. The most common cause is a simple typo in the image name. Double-check your command, ensuring there are no extra spaces, incorrect capitalization, or spelling errors. For example, Docker run hello world is correct, but Docker run hello world or Docker run hello world might cause the error. 2. Check for special characters. Avoid using special characters like $, and $, etc. in your image names or tags. Stick to alphanumeric characters and hyphens. 3. Inspect the Docker file, if applicable. If you're building a custom image with a Docker file, the error might originate there. Carefully review the from instruction. Ensure you're referencing a valid base image with the correct name and tag. For instance, from Ubuntu latest is generally fine, but from Ubuntu lates, missing a T, will lead to problems. Pay close attention to the syntax within the Docker file. Even a minor mistake can result in an invalid reference. 4. Update Docker and Docker Compose. Outdated versions of Docker or Docker Compose can sometimes have compatibility issues. Check for updates using the respective update mechanisms. For Docker Desktop, there's usually a notification, or you can manually check for updates through the application settings. 5. Restart Docker. After making any changes, restart the Docker Desktop application. This ensures that the changes take effect. A simple restart often clears up transient errors. 6. Check your internet connection. The error can occur if Docker can't reach the Docker Hub or your private registry to download the image. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. 7. Clean up dangling images and containers. Sometimes corrupted images or containers can interfere. Use Docker System Prune A to remove unused data. Proceed with caution with this command, as it deletes images and containers not currently in use. 8. Use the correct registry. If you are using a private registry, ensure you have correctly configured your Docker client to access it, using credentials, etc. If you're unsure, try pulling a public image like Hello World to rule out registry-specific problems. 9. Check for Docker daemon issues. In rare cases, the Docker daemon itself might be malfunctioning. Try restarting your computer. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling Docker Desktop. Remember to always consult the official Docker documentation for the most up-to-date troubleshooting information. By systematically checking these points, you should be able to pinpoint the root cause of the invalid reference format error and get your Docker containers running smoothly.